Hey guys, it's JP554731 and this is a package that I just bought. It's from Hong Kong. Today is January the 22nd. I had this shipped out on the 10th through registered airmail, and it's from E2046. So, let me go ahead and open this up. Yeah, here's the package, and here's the RX-78 high mobility type conversion kit for the 1 to 100 scale master grade 1.5 Gundam, but you can also use it for the 1 year war, as the inner leg frame is the same as the 1.5, and plus I like the stylization of the 1 year war better, and plus the arms are upgraded on the 1 year war kit. So I actually have a few 1 year wars. I had a video up that showed which I had a couple of conversion kits that I wanted to use for the 1 year war, and I'll do a proper review of this. So yeah, I wanted to get this for the longest time. I just didn't quite get to it. It's based off of a mobile suit from the PS2 game Girin's Greed, or Girin no Yabu, which is Yabo, which is or Girin's Ambition. It's a turn-based game, and it's all in Japanese. So yeah, here's the instructions. Here's the Girin no Yabo mark. So that's what series it's from. So yeah, I hope it's not missing anything. And I think this is it for the instructions. So yeah. Well, actually, it doesn't show me how to put on the chest, but I could probably figure that out. Yeah, the chest piece looks pretty different than the 1 year war, so I might have to modify it. So yeah, that about does it for this package unboxing. Please rate, subscribe, and comment, as I always appreciate that. Again, I'll do a proper review of this, so I'll watch out for that. See you guys later.